very fast. If there are any concerns, any issues with our product, we work on it that day, that hour, that minute. We circle the wagons, we grab folks around here to understand what the problem is, address it, call the customer. If necessary, we go see the customer. There's a lot of visits that we do, either at their location or our location, to take care of any issues. We're proud of our speed. We're proud of our reaction. We like making people happy. That's kind of, to me, that's the overall approach to any customer service, is make people happy. Try to get them happy, take care of their problems.
The Oasis machine that we've added has helped greatly. It saves time. It's nearly perfect as far as checking parts. You just place a part up there and it automatically measures it. There's no human factor there.
Real-time feedback, which no other machine on the market can give you. And accuracy is another real big benefit. It's plus or minus 2/10,000ths of an inch on accuracy.
After we have run the part once, we do have a design review, and then we get a lot of useful data from the Oasis to see if we're centered on most dimensions and what little tweaks we can do in the tool design and whatnot.
Quality matters, it's everything. I mean, quality sells, you know. And they know the expectations, along with our sub-suppliers, they know. One part out of 200,000, one part out of 1,000,000, it matters. So everybody's goal is 0 defects. That's the goal. It really doesn't matter what industry. That is the goal. Through our process development and through our sorting process, everything. It's just, one part is too many. So with cold forming, we've gotten more advanced. We've gotten longer lengths, we've gotten bigger diameters, we've gotten tougher extrusions, we've designed tougher radiuses, chamfers we've put on parts. I would say 10 years ago, there's a lot of parts we would not have approached, but through our history and developing other products, that's gotten us into some more advanced parts.
So we're about 90,000 square feet total. We've added some secondary equipment, robots, CNC equipment, added some rollers, and added some headers. We've grown in the amount of people we have.
Over the last several years, we've invested more into the sorting department to kind of raise the bar for our quality. We're looking for 1 part out of 500,000. We're looking for 2 parts out of 1,000,000. We're looking for any part that has a defect. We run it through our automated systems with cameras, mirrors, lighting, looking for anything that's wrong. So that has really brought us to another level of our quality. We like a challenge, and we root out a lot of the issues through our APQP process. So we really don't sign up for something that we can't do. And it seems to me that our engineering group likes it when a customer says, you can't manufacture that. So I kind of like that when a customer says that, because that really gets us pretty excited over there to get it done. So that happens.
Quite often, we will quote parts that other companies just are too afraid of. And we've been very successful quite often. Some of the sweeter wins we've had is when other companies actually have failed, and then they come over here. We get a special little kick out of making those successful. We've grown to a nice, comfortable size company where we're not too large, where we're fragmented. There's a lot of interaction between all departments. So we get a lot of input from everybody and understand all the issues and are usually able to solve them.
Communication internally is driven by a number of different mechanisms. APQP is very solid here. It's a team-driven event between quality, engineering, sales, manufacturing. When it comes to tooling, engineering is heavily involved with the tool room to get the tools fabricated. If there's an ECN involved, that's another mechanism we use to communicate between any department and engineering to get a process change made.
communication. We can talk about parts immediately. We can have conference calls with customers and invite our engineers, our production people, our tool makers, and come up with solutions that help the customer.
As quality engineer, quality manager, we'll communicate with our customer base on a daily basis on different issues. It could be initial sample issues, it could be a customer concern, it could be a validation, it could be maybe something with the application that they've asked for our help with. So we communicate with them regularly. That's probably communication is the biggest thing.